Some people were curious as to what this bike sounds like. So this is my wife Kim's 2020 Softail Sport Glide. It's the Harley M8 107 engine. It has a Screaming Eagle Extreme Ventilator air cleaner. It also has a Bassani Road Rage 3 2-in-1 exhaust with the short megaphone and a Screaming Eagle tuner. My wife likes it a lot. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it's nice and loud. It's got that nice Harley sound to it. So without further ado, catch you guys later.